Hello everyone, welcome to Clinical Knowledge and Medicine. Let's learn about medical abbreviations. MRSA, methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. BCG, Bacilli calmitic urine, vaccine for tuberculosis. Na for sodium, K for potassium, Cl for chlorine, CuCO3 calcium carbonate, Fe for iron, NaCl sodium chloride, Zn zinc, Zd zinc deficiency, O2 for oxygen, CO2 carbon dioxide, KCl potassium chloride, NS normal saline, Rl ringer lactate, DSW 5% dextrose in water, DS 5% dextrose, DW dextrose in water, CHO carbohydrate, coal cholesterol, GTT drop or drops, cm for centimeter, G or gm gram, gr for grain, MEQ milli equivalent, MEQ per liter, milli equivalent per liter, degree Fahrenheit, degree Celsius, unit of temperature. SPGR specific gravity, F for female, NO nitric oxide, NO is for number also, Y for year, YO years old, YR dot year, DL deciliter, L liter, IB for pound, OZ ounce, ml milliliter, M mole millimole, mole weight molecular weight, VOL for volume, WT for weight, HT or HGT for height, TBSP tablespoon, 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 ml, TSP teaspoon, mmHg millimeters of mercury, Hg for mercury, QS as much as needed, a sufficient quantity, PAP Pap-Nicolau test, U&A urea and electrolytes, USG ultrasonogram, PO by mouth orally, PR per rectum, PV per vagina, MDI method dose inhaler, PN parenteral nutrition, TPN total parenteral nutrition, ABN abnormal, ADM for admission, ALT alternate, ETC around the clock, GARG for gargle, ID intradermal or infectious disease, IC for injection, IM intramuscular, IN intranasal, INF infusion, IP intraperitoneal, IV intravenous, IVP intravenous push, IVPB intravenous piggyback, OD once per day, BID twice a day, TID 3 times a day, QID 4 times a day, HS every night, Q every, Q6H every 6 hours, Q12H every 12 hours, Q2H every 2 hours, QD every day, QH every hour, QOD every other day, RDA recommended daily allowances, RP repeats, TPN total parenteral nutrition, U for unit, WNL within normal limit, ULN upper limits of normal, SC subcutaneous injection, SL sublingual, AMT amount, BOL bolus, FL for fluid, CONC for concentrated.